Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at something that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is the Wonder Cutter from Cutra. If you've ever struggled to cut through thick 3D prints, acrylic, or heavy leather with a standard hobby knife, you know the struggle. Sore fingers, jagged edges, and a lot of frustration. But this uses 40,000 ultrasonic vibrations per second to basically turn a hobby blade into a lightsaber. Today, we're going to find out if this tool is a must-have for your workshop or just a high-tech luxury. Straight out of the box, the Wonder Cutter is surprisingly compact. You've got the main power unit, which houses the lithium-ion battery, making it fully portable. No need to be tethered to a wall outlet while you work. The handpiece is connected by a coiled cable. It's lightweight, only about 80 grams, which is crucial for long sessions. It feels like a thick marker in your hand. On the front, you've got your power button and the battery indicator. The build quality feels premium. It's solid Korean engineering from Cutra, and it feels like a tool built to last. Now, let's talk performance. How does 40,000 vibrations per second actually feel? Plastic and acrylic, this is where it shines. Usually cutting acrylic involves scoring and snapping, but with this, you can cut curved shapes. It's like a hot knife through butter, but without the melting mess you get from thermal cutters. 3D prints, ABS. For makers, this is a game changer. Removing supports or cleaning up thick walls on a print is effortless. Leather and rubber. It slices through 4mm leather with almost no downward pressure. The biggest thing you'll notice is the reduced physical effort. You're not pushing, you're guiding. This means much more control and way less hand fatigue. Technical specs time. It runs at 30 watts or 19 watts on the portable model and uses a standard 40-piece blade set that is easy to replace. The battery life is impressive. You get about 2 hours of continuous use, but since you're usually cutting in short bursts, it easily lasts a full day in the shop. So, what's the final word? If you're a casual crafter who cuts paper or thin cardboard once a month, this is overkill. Stick to your $5 hobby knife. But if you are a professional model maker, a heavy 3D printing enthusiast, or someone who works with thick plastics and leather daily, the Wonder Cutter is a productivity beast. It saves time, saves your wrists from strain, and allows for precision you just can't get manually. I'll leave a link in the description to Cutra's site so you can check out the latest prices and their new Control AX model as well. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tool deep dives. See you in the next one.